guys, Sunday here. Good evening, everyone. Whatever time you're joining, whatever time you're seeing this market breakdown. So today, this is what we normally do every Sunday. This is market breakdown. We're trying to see the forecast to look at where the market is going to. So, of course, we'll start with our weekly time frame to see how G has been playing. So what I have on my screen here is with British Pound USD. So if you're new to this channel, please, I want you to do me a favor. I would like you to subscribe, hit that like button, and then look down and click that subscribe button so we can keep these numbers running up. Please don't forget to subscribe so we can hit 100 subscription before this year ends. Please, guys. I need you guys to hit that subscribe button and thank you for hitting it. And then the next thing I want you to do is to hit that like button for me. Please do that for me. And don't forget to share this video too with your friends so they can come onto this channel and learn how we do this the marathon way. So I'll be doing top-down analysis of Great British Pound USD, and we will be looking at where the market is going to, and we will be looking at possible entries of where we would expect the market to behave for this week come tomorrow. So you guys are once more, you're welcome. All right. So looking at my chart, what I have here is Great British Pound USD on the 1 week time frame. And you see on the 1 week time frame, the market has been on a downtrend. Market has been going downtrend, and you see a low has been taken out here. So we have this level here of a high, kind of high, and now we kind of like seeing the market trying to retrace back to the upside. So we expect the market to push to the upside, but since we are not trading up the 1 week time frame, we're not doing the swing kind of side trading, but this 1 week is telling us where the market is going to, and the market is on a downtrend. So now the market is kind of like retracing. So if I could take my Fibonacci retracement from my swing high to my swing low, I'll have this whole area here as my golden zone where I expect to see the market turn away from this point. Everything here will be my golden zone. So this will be this will be now a 1 week golden zone. So I expect to see pushes from the market to this upside. So the whole of this month we should be looking to buying a GU. If you are doing swing trading, GU is expecting pushing because we keep seeing GU breaking highs and pushing to the upside, and you see how the market closed. The week candle that closed was bullish. I would expect more continuation to push to the upside. So with that being said, we have seen the direction of the market on the 1 week time frame. So what we'll do now, we'll scale down right down to one day time frame. On the 1 day time frame, what am I seeing? So we notice that this is our kind of like supply zone. Let's just call it our supply zone for now. Oops. Let's just call that our supply zone for now, right? Let's just call this our supply zone where we see my market coming to, right? And at this level, we have a position here that the market came to and was trying to reject that level. So we have what here? A fair value gap here. Right, we have a fair value gap at this level. I was seeing that in case we have this high taken out, if we have the market take out this high, expect a small pullback to continue to come right up here. That's off the 1 day time frame. Right. So having that in mind, we're trying to see who's in control on the higher time frame structure. Who is in control of the higher time structure of this market? So this is what the 1 day time frame is telling us, and you see the 1 day resistance has been tested once, and we see market retracing back to that level. And looking here, we have some sort of a fair value gap, and at this level, we saw that there was a shift in market structure here, like a change in character here, right? A change in character at this level. So if we can scale down to the 4 hour time frame, we'll have to see more clearer and clearer view of the market at this level. But having in mind that we'll have this zone here that could act also as our golden supply zone here, so we can take our swing high to the swing low we will see that the market is approaching our golden zone. So we are right. So come when the market opens tonight, we just need to expect to see some reaction of the market around this area, right? We expect to see some reaction, the market reaction around this area, whereby we could possibly look for selling opportunities there, right? Selling opportunities to target back. We have a fair value gap here too at this 50% retracement level. Target that level. So I'm gonna scale that to 2 hours for that expansion. That's 2 hours. Sorry, that was 1 minute, 2 minutes. 2 hours. Okay. So at this level, I take out this Fibonacci retracement instrument. So with that being said, we just want to see how the market look like. So this is how the market looked like, right? When it closed yesterday, closed on Friday, because we've been having all year lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and then we came at this level. What do we have here? We had, to be fair, we had what? A change in character here. And we look at the last bearish candle that caused the bullish candle to change in character to the upside. And when price got to this level, tap into this supply zone here, discount price, we saw the number of orders that came in, and the orders were massive that eventually it took out this high, right? This high was taken out. So now we keep seeing market breaking structure at that level. Another one taken out here. We see market breaking structure at that very level. And there was some sort of supply slipping here, demand slipping here, sorry. And we had so much orders that were placed, that were triggered around this area. So much orders triggered here. These are the amount of orders that were triggered here by buyers. That did what? Later took out this high again. So the market closed without tapping on the 4-hour supply zone at the premium price at the level. So in case the market opens and scale down to 1 hour time frame, in case the market opens and it refuses to push the upside and instead retrace, all we want to see is, should in case this low is taken out, if we see the market break a level here, then we'll retrace to the downside, right? We'll retrace where to the golden zone. So if I can take my Fibonacci retracement to see where we expect to sell from, I can say, yeah, I can tap from here and say my swing low to my swing high. I'll expect to look for buying opportunities around this golden zone area here. So in case this should happen, you should look for sales to this level. But remember, the market's on the uptrend until you see a change in character at this level. So this is my view on Great British Pound USD today, in case when the market opens. And I just want to advise you guys to keep on pushing, keep on striving, and do not overtrade. Focus on a few pairs. For me, myself, I trade mostly Great British Pound, Euro USD, and gold. So after this, we'll do analysis and analyze Euro USD, and we'll analyze gold as well. So always have a good risk management in place and focus on improving your skills. Always learn. Get a contact with the mentorship program. If you're interested in joining our mentorship program, the link will be on the bio. The link will be in the description below. You're free to join our Telegram group, and also follow me on all social media platforms, Marathon FX, you already know. So apart from this, now let's check out Euro USD. So let's check out Euro USD. Euro USD. Then we'll check on gold afterwards. I had a position open on the Euro USD, but I don't like holding position over the weekend. So for the sake of this live recording, I would like to start everything afresh. So I'll vibe with you guys on the same level. So take you guys, remove every drawing, I'll start from the one we can see where price is currently heading to. Okay, so Euro USD. What are we seeing on Euro USD? Unlike Great British Pound USD, they're kind of like moving the same, right? So how this level, this low here has been taken out, and you see price retracing back to the upside. So if we can take our Fibonacci retracement from the swing high, to the swing low, take our Fib levels from the swing high to the swing low. After this, I'll show you a video on how I'll probably show you how to configure your Fibonacci retracement like my own, and how to trade with Fibonacci retracement. I'll probably do a video on that. But before this video, at the end of this video, I'll show you my configuration. If you're interested to have your golden zones like mine, you can check out the video. You just stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'll show you how you can configure your settings like mine. So how do we have here? We have our high at this level. This was a once price tap into this fair value gap here and started selling massively from that area to the downside. So we see price push into this upside, and let's check out the Fibonacci levels, the golden zone where we see price might react to. Interesting here. So we see this whole level here could be act like a golden zone of the 1 week time frame. It's always good to bear in mind the major premium zones in the market, because those are the areas that always attract the market to itself. So let's go straight to the 1 day time frame. How to do top-down analysis. This is exactly how to do it. The best way you can do it. So looking at the chart now, this is 1 day time frame, and what are we seeing here? Right, what are we seeing? Very clear market structure. We can see a downtrend here. Market was giving us lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. And at this level, we had the last high here. This last high, we had a change in character at this level. Price coming back at this level to do what? So you can take a Fibonacci from this last low to this last high. You will definitely see the golden zone. You see 78.9, 78.60. These are my golden zones. I always like to highlight everything here. And you see exactly how price reacted off that level, right? Price reacted off that area and start shooting up, start taking out the highs. And at this level, currently at this level, price got into this fair value gap here and started reacting. The number of orders that were sitting here. So this is of the 1 day now, and we have what here? Our low point here. So we have a high and a low point now. So this is the structure on where the market is currently reacting to. So we just go straight to the 4 hour time frame. Time frame, looking nice and clean, looking where price is coming from, right? So how so many orders have been placed here by sellers, and that led to a shift in the structure, right? We have a shift in the structure at this level. So, and also at this level, we see price still giving us the same vibe. Also, we need to see this level taken out. This level taken out. So consider buying to the upside, but currently price is here, so expect to see more sales because price is in a downtrend. Remember, it's always good to trade with the trend. It's always good and safe to trade with the trend. When you're trading with the trend, the risk to reward, the risk to reward is always good and nice, and sometimes the market always moves in that direction because you are trading with the overall trend of the market at that moment. So this is how the 4 hour look like, and higher time frame zones are always stronger and always very reliable to work with the higher time frames. And also follow up the direction where the market is going to. So 4 hour time frame, I just get to 2 hour time frame just to clear if I see any reasons why I should be looking for trades at this level. So confirmation I need to see is currently, okay, price just took out the high here, So we are still in an uptrend. Good. So let's look at the high. So still pushing to the upside. Let me take this out to not to distract myself. But of course, I know this is a strong zone, right? This whole area here is responsible for taking out that low. This whole area of it. So I'll consider this to be a very strong level in the market. So let's get to 1 hour. So I'll consider this whole level to be a very strong level in the market. Maybe on a smaller time frame, it's very visible at this area where you can have a fair value gap where the market might get to. But I'll consider this to be a very strong level in the market where, because this high is responsible for taking out this low here. So we might see the market retracing to this level, like, or maybe if I have something like this to put to the downside to clear, because now I'm seeing some sort of extra liquidity formation here. Something like this is like liquidity that is forming here, right? Of this up. But as of now, I just need to wait to see. So this is how the 1 hour time frame looks like. So I would also like to end on the 1 hour time frame to see, just to have a clue how the market is approaching, what the market is currently doing. Because this is the level also where the market break out from. So we'll have a good, nice doji candle here. And you know how those doji candles are always powerful when prices get to a zone. This red doji candle here, I think this should be 50% retracement level. So I'll take one. This level to this high. So price should be around 50% retracement level. Right, this will be a 50% retracement level. So we might likely see price reacting off this area. We might likely see price reacting off this area, but nothing can be said now, nothing can be done now unless when after the Asian range, because I just like to look at the market at this level and I wait for the Asian range to clearly see how the Asian session played out, right? To see how the Asian session played out. But in case I see this level taken out, okay, I know now I have to come and do it for entries from here to here, because why am I looking entries from here to here? Just looking at the chart already, I've already seen a doji candle and ended up with a fair value gap. So all this level here will be like my point of sales already. Even I could take my Fibonacci retracement just like to capture from this swing high to this low. You see that this area is above 50%, so it's around the premium price. But I just want to see, or if it will come down right here like this, after that price will be asking off my golden zone. So I'll just need to be patient with EU and see how the market opens and react. Either the market turns from here without taking out this low and shoot to the upside, right? Two things are about to happen. Either we'll have here, shoot to the upside, or we might have this. So it's all about again a probability to come to the downside, right? So it's still all the same, but we just need to see how the Asian session will play and look like, because I don't like to give out or to say I'll be doing this one. No, I say I have a lot of time to play, because I'll be looking forward to enter trade during London and New York session. So from now to that moment, it's still a long time to go. So I'll just be looking at what will happen within this area after I've marked my zones here. I just want to see if this low will be taken out, knowing that the market is about to open and Asian session to be coming in deep. All right, now I go check on gold, and then I'll show you how to configure your Fibonacci retracement if you want yours to be like mine. I also have some nice entries on gold. I took a buy here on gold. I took a buy here on gold, and I know it has stopped around this level, because you know how gold do stuff. Stop around this level. Stop around this level. But when I came out, I saw this. I said there was a zone here, and there was that quick flip of that level, that zone, that price tapped to that supply zone and started dropping. So for the sake of this video, let's do top-down analysis on gold. So 1 week. 1 week on gold. What is gold doing? Gold is doing everything is in an uptrend, but at this level, gold is sleeping on top of something. the fight here is still so much. So this level, this whole level, where the market is currently fighting at. And what happened? When price tapped at this level, it took out what? It took out this level to tap where? I've told you the power of fair value gaps. Created liquidity, took out a lot of people, and shoot back up. So you're still an uptrend, so you can see it's a change of character whatsoever. This is liquid. This is clearing of liquidity at this level. So you see why it's always nice to look at the market on the higher time frame. And so at this level now, we have gold having a potential of dropping right to this level. So this is now, let's go to 1 day. Okay, 1 day, what are we seeing here? Seeing a fair, nice flip here. So gold might turn from here. Gold might turn from here to the upside, or turn from this fair value gap here. So just watch out. So looking at this level, we see the last low here, and you see gold has pierced through that level. And this is something acting like a 50% Fibonacci retracement level. And you see gold have tapped that level and it start dropping, so we can take from there. Swing high to the swing low to the swing high. See, price is currently at the 50% Fibonacci levels, and we have our golden zone. So what I told you, right? So everything here is our golden zone. So that's why I had those annotation there, that line, that yeah. So we have price, that price playing here, with price tapping right down here. So now, what do we have here again? That's on the 1 day. We have this fair value gap. You see, price might come up here. Or what do we have? What can we say? We can take from our swing low, our swing high to our swing low. You see where I marked is my golden zone. So I don't need to overuse the Fibonacci level. I just need to see a fair value gap keeping at that level. So gold is having a potential of coming right to this level before dropping to the downside, because it's currently playing around the 50% Fibonacci premium levels. So I have the market is playing here. So this 1 day, 4 hours. So in my plan of gold, I have to annotate this area. This is my 4 hour 1 day golden supply zone, golden zone. So that one. So I expect price coming up here. So on the 4 hour time frame, what am I seeing? Price is still playing along this level. So price is struggling to push to the upside. So two things are involved what I'm looking out for this level. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm targeting these zones. Either I see price breaking. If price should take out this level, I expect price to push right up here. If price should take out this level, I expect price to push right down to this level down here, because it's still playing within the 50% retracement level. And we go to the 2 hour time frame. Okay, our fair value gap, that price played into that. It's now shooting to the upside. So expect more buyers to come to the upside, because we have some fair value gaps to sleep in here. So what I want to say is no need to give a fair value gap. I have liquidity sleeping up here, and I need to see that liquidity taken out. Right, I need to see that liquidity above here taken out. Liquidity sleeping above here on the upside. I need to see it taken out so I can give a reaction on it, because price came to this level, and what do we see here? We have a change in character, and ever since that happened, this low haven't been taken out. You keep seeing only buying orders from this level. Price keeps doing this buying orders. So expect this high to be taken out, and gold potentials of gold getting to price 2010 is very, very, very high. So this is 2 hours. 1 hour now. 1 hour. Good. A high has been taken out already. High has been taken out already. So what do we have here? Nice. Look at the doji candle sleeping here. Take a Fibonacci level from the swing low to the swing high. Swing low to the swing high. Golden zone. So I'm looking price at this level of gold. Nice one there, guys. Nice one. Nice one. This will be my golden zone in gold. So I'm looking for to buy this asset, this commodity. This is my demand zone. I should look at a buy here. Oh, my stop loss look like stop loss about 53 pips. So nice one to take 350 pips and go 1 is to 6.7. Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one. Okay, so when it comes to my Fibonacci retracement, this is how I want to suggest you will do it like mine. So what I do, come to settings and look at my figures. So you can pause the video and go just on style. Choose a style. Like you can change the color for mine. In case your background is black, you can change the colors like mine. Pause level have 0, 0, 0.5, 0.79, 0, blah blah blah. These are the most interesting, important ones. We highlight. That's just all. Come down. I can increase my colors, my background. I can increase it. In case I have it, but I don't have it, I can increase. But it's inactive, so I choose levels, right? I can increase at one size, but I choose levels. Increase at one size to maybe 14 to make it look a little bit bigger. Good. So and there you can click OK. You have yours just like mine. I have this level here. Yeah. Yeah. So it's good. First level. 78.60. So at this level you can pause, come down, and have it like mine. Right. That's just all. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Just focus on this. And that's it, guys. So guys, do me a favor, hit that like, and drop me some comments. If you want to use my broker, I use XNES, one of the world best broker anyone can ever recommend. The link will be on my bio. If you want to join my Telegram for daily setups, trade ideas, join the Telegram group or the WhatsApp free signal group, or you hit the WhatsApp and get to me privately for mentorship. And follow me on all social medias. Thank you guys, and thank you for your time. I wish you the best this week. Stay safe. Marathon continues.